Yes. Okay, friends. Good evening, everyone. Salam alaikum.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir. Walaikum assalam.
Yes. So hope you are all doing well and practicing meditation whenever you have time. Yes. Okay, friends. Every day we are gathering here to learn something, to learn some wisdom about us. We need to know who we are, where we are from, and what is the life. Once we understand that, everything is easy in our life. If you don't understand, life is difficult and every situation very challenging and very difficult because we don't understand our life. So if you understand, our life is very easy. If I know if my laptop get repaired or something happened, not working, if I know how to do that, it is easy for me. I don't get any tension. I don't worry because I have a knowledge how to repair this one. Similarly, in our life, when some challenges comes in our life, we should have a knowledge, wisdom can handle that situation. So that can be done through practice of meditation, friends. We are going to get so much strength and wisdom from within. So that help us to handle any situation. By doing meditation, we gain more strength. And you cannot escape from the situation. Those are all examination for you. But you will gain the strength to handle those situations. Meditation gives us strength, willpower. With that, we can do anything. We can climb Mount Everest. We can handle anything. So friends, please practice meditation whenever you have time. This is a value time that you are giving to you. This is a valuable time. So today we are going to learn a little more about our mind, how it's in meditation, how our mind plays a role in our meditation, how thoughts are coming, how it is going. So that we are going to know a little, and everybody knows that, how to handle it. So I'm going to share my presentation, friends. Yes. Hope everybody can see here. One minute. Okay. Stages of meditation. There are different stages in meditation. Okay. When you are sitting in the first time, it's very difficult. Right or wrong? It's difficult for everyone unless they have done a lot of meditation in their past lives. Then when they sit, immediately they go into deeper state of silence and emptiness. Okay. So whenever you're sitting in meditation, the mind, it's chatter. Chattering means thoughts, thinking. It's keep on thinking, keep on worrying. You're sitting and observing your breath. Your mind start going here and there. It's go to the past or go to the future, and you are bringing again here. And keep on chartering, thinking, non-stop. And you also involved in that charter, right? You also involved. Like, okay, what I'm going to do tomorrow? What can I do my life like this? You're sitting and involved in the charter and analyzing everything. It's a common. Then you slowly bringing your attention to your breath. There is a charter. I mean, there is a thinking, there is a thoughts. Again, you're focusing. Like you're in 30 minutes or 25 minutes, 24 minutes you are in thinking. Only 1 minute, I mean to say, like your first 5 minutes you are thinking. Then I'm just guiding, right? Observe your breath, observe your breath. Then you're coming back. And few seconds you will be there. Again, you go into continue your chattering. It will be there. And next one, slowing the chatter. Like gradually, when you're continuing your meditation, gradually, if you are thinking about many now, many chattering, so much thinking, and it comes to slowly, very less. Okay, very less. We need to practice. Otherwise, we cannot get it that. We need to practice. And again, gap between your thoughts. And like now you are sitting for meditation. First 5 minutes or 4 minutes or 1 minute, you are thinking. Or you are focusing on your breath. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Again, your thought goes. Only few seconds, not more time. Again, no, I want to observe my breath. And backing back again and observing your breath. Again, your thoughts comes. So it is gap. There is some gap, again thought. There is some gap, again thoughts. So like this it happens. It will be there sometime. Then you will go into the deep silence. You will be experiencing the emptiness. So everybody from stage 1 to stage 6, everybody will reach there. Just you need to practice. You need to observe your breath every day with your dedication. Definitely you will go into that state. You will have a power to heal yourself. You can have a power to manifest anything in your life, everything you have. All you have to decide and sit every day for you, for yourself, for your progress. If you are progressing, the entire world is progressing. The entire world depends on you. It's a reflection. It's a mirror. It's like attraction. Like you are attracting same vibration people, like-minded people. You're here. There are around now 14 or 15 participants. You're here, like-minded people. You're attracting meditation. I'm also attracting to teach meditation. You are looking, and I'm also looking, teaching. You're also looking for getting trained. So the entire world depends on ourselves. Once we are changing our inner system, and everything will be changed outside. Our perception changes. So your world is here. First you change yourself, then everything changes outside. Okay, friends. So thoughts will be there. You will be thinking many times, or continuously you're thinking. Whatever comes, let it go. No need to worry. These are the common things for everyone. You just started. Remember that when the baby come out of a mother womb, the baby cannot walk immediately. It takes time to walk. Right or wrong? It's take to time to walk. Similarly, anything, any practice, is take time for progress. A slow and steady. If you are expecting immediate, everything is today and immediately, and tomorrow it will go away. Right? So slow and steady. You have a life in your hands. You can progress. You no need to depend on anybody. Just be with your breath every day. That's enough. Very simple process, right? You have to decide. If you want to transform your life, you have to decide. Nobody. Everybody gives suggestions. Unless you are taking action, you cannot progress. Because you are going to face challenges. If you have disease, if I take medicine, how can be you cured? If you have disease, you have to take medicine. If you have challenges in your life, you have to practice to overcome. You have to gain strength. So that you will get through meditation. Okay, friends, these are the stages, and don't worry if many thoughts are coming to you in your meditation. So another things happen in our meditation. When you start observing your natural breath, you will be conscious about your breathing. Right? You're conscious about your breathing. And some people saying that I'm having the pain, I'm having the itchiness, I'm feeling some crawling on my body, some insects. You're feeling like that. So you're experiencing the energy flow in your body. That is the body consciousness. You start observing your breath, then healing happens in your physical body. And again, some emotions comes out from your body, some suppressed emotions that also you are going to release with your meditation. And memory complexes, which are you suppressed or you kept in your memory from childhood, from past life, those are coming to you now. And they are triggering now. That also going away. And the mental quality, your thoughts, very powerful. And you will have a clarity in your thoughts. You have a clear ideas. There will not be any negative thoughts, only positive thoughts you will be having. And another one is seeing, vipassana. Most of the people, you know about the word vipassana. Vipassana means seeing. Seeing with your third eye. Yesterday and day before yesterday, we discussed about third eye, third law of meditation. That also possible. And finally, ultimate wisdom. You will be understanding life and death. Who am I? Why I'm like this? Where I'm from? And where I'm going? Is there any end for this? So you are going to understand that although there are many planets, everywhere living force is there, life force is there. Now we are in Earth planet, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, in our solar system, many solar system, galaxies, many things are there. We're going to understand the wisdom that happens in your meditation, friends. First, basically, we understand life and death. What happens before taking birth? Where we were before birth? What happens after death? Where we are going? So these are all going to understand, friends. That is ultimate wisdom. That is our wisdom, our soul wisdom. We have to know about our soul. So once we understand, then everything is easy. Once we know everything, no need to worry. Whatever happens in our life, we are just accepting. So, friends, meditation gives you strength to focus on your life, to face the challenges in your life. Our life is a lesson. Our life, this Earth planet is a school. We're all here to learn the lessons, different lessons, lessons from parents, lessons from wife and husband, lessons from kids, lessons from society, from everyone, from every situation. If some trouble is coming to your life and it's keep knocking, there is something to learn. Once you learn, that will not knock you again. That will go away from you. If you not learn, it keep on knocking your door. Maybe you lock the door, you're not ready to open, but it will be there. When you open the door, it will catch you. So, in our meditations, we are going to gain the strength to handle anything in our life. We are not going to escape from our challenges. We are going to handle. That is our energy. That is our willpower. Okay, friends, today let us sit in a meditation. Let us all go into meditation. This is most important and most powerful. Spending time for us, for our benefit, for our family, for our society, for our world, for everything, we need to meditate. Everyone is need a peace of mind now. We have everything, we don't have peace of mind. Then what is a life? We want a peace of mind first, then everything comes. If you have everything, you don't have peace of mind, that's a useless life. First, we need to have happy life. Even you have a single dollar, if you are happy, that's enough. You have billions of money, you are not happy, waste of life. Every minute we have to live happy. We are here for that, living happy, for whatever reasons. So let us sit in a meditation now, friends. Cross your both hands fingers, cross your legs, and close your eyes. Okay, I'm going to play the music, friends. Sit in a comfortable posture. And please, please do not open your eyes in the middle of meditation. Try to sit until I said okay to open your eyes. Try to sit. Don't open whatever happened in your body. Try to bear it. Any pains, any itchingness. If you come out of from that, it takes time again to go within, to make your mind silent. In this process, you will learn the patience. This patience will help you in your regular life. We lack of patience. Because of this patience, we are facing so many relationship issues. So try to not open your eyes, friends. I'm going to play the music now. Sit in a comfortable, relaxable posture. Just relax, my dear friends. Today we are all together going to practice meditation. Just be here, my dear friends. There is no hurry now. There is nothing to do now. Just relaxing. Forget about everything for a few minutes. Everything is possible through meditation. Just be here, my dear friends. Just bring your awareness to your body. Your left leg toes, foot, ankles, knee, thighs, waist, and right leg toes, foot, ankle, knees, thighs, waist, stomach, chest, shoulders, your both hand fingers, throat, chin, mouth, nose, eyes, ears, your forehead, and entire body. Complete relaxation. Every cell in your body is going into deep relaxation. Now, just observe your natural breathing. Incoming and outgoing breath. Normal, natural, easy breath. If your breath is deeper and longer, let it be deeper and longer. If your breath is shorter and shallow, let it be shorter and shallow. If your mind is wandering here and there, Bring back to the present moment. And be here with your breath. Your breath is your master. Your breath is your God. Stay with your breath. Just to be with your breath, my dear friends. Just connect with your breath. Your incoming and outgoing breath. Meditation means observing your breath. Meditation means self-healing. Through meditation, we are removing all the dust which we have collected from many lifetimes. Let your thoughts come and go. Ignore your thoughts. And be deeper with your breath. Stay with your breath, dear friends. Don't go behind your thoughts. Your thoughts are like passing clouds in the sky. Just ignore your thoughts and be with your breath. stay with your breath, my dear friends. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present moment and stay here with your breath, with your normal breathing. Whenever thoughts comes in, cut your thought and back to the breath. Last 5 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Witness whatever happening inside you. last 1 minute. Thirty seconds. Seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Keep your both hands, fingers on your eyes. And gently open your eyes. Okay, friends, welcome back. Today we have done 30 minutes of meditation. If anybody would like to share your experiences or would like to ask any question, you can start now. Whatever the experiences, everybody's experience is unique. So if you'd like to share, you can share now. Yes, Ji. Wajiha Khan. Maybe you can unmute and share your experience. So it is easy for me and for everyone.
Okay, hi, my name is Wajiha. I am from Islamabad. Today I had two experiences. First of all, in the beginning, I felt that if my chakra, the crown chakra was heavy, it's like somebody has put some
Wait.
stone or metallic thing on my crown chakra.
Yes.
And then while meditating, I felt like as if I was moving like a pendulum to and fro.
Yes. Yes. Wonderful. Yes.
Is
So
it a good thing?
yes, both are good experiences. So when you, the first one, when you mentioned the crown, this Sahasrara experience,
Yeah.
when the energy flows here, you feel very heavy and weight.
Okay.
Once you open your eyes, you don't feel anything. Okay.
Yeah.
And the first one. And second one, sometimes in our meditation, when receive more energy, like moving like this, as you mentioned, pendulum, it is like
Yes.
moving. Somebody's moving you. The energy is moving you.
Yeah, I felt like that.
Yeah. So that's good energy. That indicates that you're receiving the energy.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Overall, it's nice experience. Yeah.
Yes, very good. Good experience. Thank you. Yes. Many messages. Okay, 1 minute. Yes. Friends, it is easy. I'm suggesting you, if you unmute and share one by one, that is easy, because here the messages, it will, if you text one and if there is no continuation, again somebody texting the messages, your message go up and their message comes down. Again, if you text, I don't find the continuation. Okay. What if we start sleeping? That's okay. If you are in your meditation you are sleeping, that's okay, no problem. That is also good. No need to worry. Sir, I had an experience today that while meditation, I was feeling that I am past. I cannot able to move my neck. Yes. This is also one experience. Sometimes we feel that it is like a stone. We are feeling that like a stone. No movement. You cannot move anything. You become like a statue. So when the energy flows into your body, you're feeling like this. So that is also good experience. No need to worry. And another experience, I feel very good, but I feel numbness in my leg. Yes, it is also one of the experience, because we are increasing our time. We are sitting in 30 minutes. So your body is getting ready for this posture. So initial days for me also, sitting in 10 minutes, my legs will become numb. I gradually increase my time, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, then there is no numbness. So we are training our body to sit. No need to worry. Every day a new thing, too much headache with sweating on forehead. And now, but now headache has gone. Yes. Friends, sinuses, headache, or migraine, you will get the quick results for these kind of issues, because from here energy flows. It will heal very quick, whatever here, and you also feel very relaxed. I've seen many people, those who are practicing meditation, their migraine gone, sinus gone, headache, no more headache. So you need to practice meditation. That's all. Overall, meditation is very good, and every day we are learning to be stable in our life and learning new thing. Okay. It was pleasure for me to meditate because it's too relaxing. But today I feel my body very heavy, though at the other side my breathing gets very lighter. Yes. So in our meditations, it will be initially as a longer breathing. I also mentioned in previous classes. So then after very medium, shorter, and sometimes you don't feel any breath. So no need to worry. This is also experience. Whatever comes in your meditation, friends, all are experience, all are good for you. Nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. Because you're being with your God, with your breath. The breath is the God, breath is the life force. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you so much. And please practice meditation whenever you have time. Take your life very serious and think about to develop and transform yourself. Change your pattern. Don't be like what you are yesterday. Look for progress. Look for change in your life. To gain the strength, more transformation, more willpower that comes with your seriousness, with your dedication of regular practice of meditation. Okay, friends, thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.